Okay.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to keep lean your Okay. So first, lean your leg like this and don't take it too high, then you're going to fall. And then, if you want, look, this is how it is going to keep nice and high as I speak. If you want to kick like Ronaldo, I will show you. Okay, so guys, you wanted to see how to kick like Ronaldo. First, kick it like this. And make sure you kick it in the center of the ball. And then you take